அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். பிஜிடிஆர்பி கெமிஸ்ட்ரி ப்ரிப்பரேஷன் யூனிட் 1ல் மேக்னெட்டிக் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிஸ் ஆஃப் சாலிட்ஸ் இதில் இருக்கக்கூடிய மிக முக்கியமான விஷயங்கள், எக்ஸாமில் என்னென்ன விதமான கொஸ்டின்ஸ் கேட்பாங்க, அது எப்படி ஈஸியாக மைண்டில் வச்சுக்கணும், அப்படிப்பட்ட விஷயங்களை இப்போ நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வில் see the magnetic susceptibility. Magnetic susceptibility means it is defined as the ratio of intensity of magnetization to the magnetic field. Magnetic field எந்த அளவுக்கு magnetization is possible, it is the ratio of intensity of magnetization to the magnetic field. Susceptibility is equal to the ratio of I by H. I is the intensity of magnetization and H is the magnetic field. It has no units. It is also called volume susceptibility. From the value of susceptibility, we can separate the materials as paramagnetic, diamagnetic, ferromagnetic and antiferromagnetics. So either base panni we can expect questions for our PGTRB exams. Wies law is one of the important law. It can be used to predict the susceptibility of the magnetic materials. Susceptibility is equal to C by T minus theta, where C is the constant and T is the absolute temperature and theta is the Curie temperature, and it is characteristics of the substance we have taken. From this concept we can expect questions for our examination based on the Wies law. At T is equal to theta, so temperature வந்து Curie temperature க்கு equal இருந்ததுன்னா a paramagnetic material transforms into the ferromagnetic materials, and if the temperature is less than the Curie temperature, that substance will behave like a ferromagnetic substance, and at the same time if the temperature is above the Curie temperature, the material become paramagnetic. We can expect questions based on this concept. Paramagnetic substances have the magnetic susceptibility is greater than 0 and it is positive, and also they have the permeability. Permeability means mu, it is also greater than 1. That means they allow the magnetic lines to pass through them. Below the Curie temperature, these paramagnetic substances transforms into ferromagnetic substances. That means either base panni nama questions kepanga. Paramagnetic substances below the Curie temperature, Curie temperature கீழே போச்சுன்னா paramagnetic substances will transform into the ferromagnetic substances, or in the other way, ferromagnetic substances above the Curie temperature increase ஆகும்போது above the Curie temperature they will transform into paramagnetic substances. ஸோ இதை பேஸ் பண்ணி நமக்கு கொஸ்டின்ஸ் கேட்கறதுக்கு உண்டான வாய்ப்புகள் அதிகம். And now the diamagnetic materials. Diamagnetic materials, they will not allow the magnetic lines to pass through them. Then next one pathina, the magnetic susceptibility is negative and less than 0, and its magnetic susceptibility is independent of magnetic field and temperature. These are the ferromagnetic materials. Ferromagnetic materials readily permit the magnetic line of induction to pass through them. So at the most important things idhula enna appdi pathina, the susceptibility is very higher than 0, and it is also very higher than the susceptibility of paramagnetic substances. Paramagnetic substance ku evlo susceptibility irukko adha vida romba higher ah irukum, and it is positive, and also the permeability is very much higher than 1. So paramagnetic substances allow the lines to pass through them. This is one more important point, and the most important factor is when it is removed from the magnetic field, these ferromagnetic materials retain its magnetism. So hence these are ferromagnetics. And one more thing, when you increase the temperature above the Curie temperature oda adhigama pochuna, these ferromagnetic materials will become paramagnetic. And this diagram is the most important one. இதில் வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா ferromagnetic materials, paramagnetic materials and antiferromagnetic materials. We can compare the temperature dependence and susceptibilities of all the three materials with increasing temperature. First, when you increase the temperature, the susceptibility of antiferromagnetic materials increases up to the Tn. That is Néel temperature. Up to Néel temperature, the susceptibility increases. After that, the antiferromagnetic materials will act like a paramagnetic materials. After the temperature, which is called Tn, we can expect questions based on this. One more important point, the susceptibility of antiferromagnetic materials is also positive, but it has some values, it is also positive. And the next one, for the ferromagnetic materials, while increasing the temperature increase, the susceptibility will decreases up to a certain point, which is known as the Curie temperature. Up to Curie temperature, the susceptibility of ferromagnetic material decreases. After the Curie temperature, the ferromagnetic substance it will transform into a paramagnetic materials. So example, we can ask questions based on Néel temperature and Curie temperature and the susceptibility and temperature relationships. This we have to keep it in our mind before the exam. And I hope this session will be much more useful for you for the exam. Thank you so much for watching this session. Thank you.